This is a tutorial for the beginner line dance that I've recently choreographed called Lose Control. It's a 32 count, 2-wall beginner level, and it's quite straightforward. The first two sections there's no hand counts, and there are a couple of hand counts in the last two sections, which make it slightly trickier for a beginner, but I'll do a breakdown of the steps and hopefully you'll find it easier. So the first section is a vine to the right and a vine to the left. So it's side, behind, side, touch, and then vine left, side, behind, side, touch. And then the second section is cross, point, and then a jazz box quarter turn. So that's cross, back, side, step. So I'll just do those two sections again. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, cross, point, jazz box quarter turn, step. Then the third section is a step, hold, and then on the hand count bring your left leg in and do and step, scuff. And we're going to do a rock and then a 3/4 shuffle to the back wall. And I'll just show you what that looks like now. I'll do it to the counts. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now I'll do it with the steps. Step, hold and step, scuff, rock, 3/4 shuffle. And it's important that you keep your weight on your left leg because we're going to be moving with the right leg next for the last section. We'll do all three sections together now, just so you can see what it looks like so far. So it starts with vine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, cross, point, jazz box quarter turn, step, and step, scuff, rock, shuffle 3/4. If you find that 3/4 shuffle a bit tricky, as long as you've got the timing right, so you've done the scuff and your rock, as long as you do in 3 counts, within 3 counts you're facing the back wall, that's fine. So you could do rock. That's fine if you can't get the 3/4 shuffle. But the 3/4 shuffle looks like rock. Then the last section, now we're going to rock out on the right leg and recover on the left. Rock out, recover. And then on the hand count, bring your right leg in and then rock out on your left leg. And rock out on your left and recover again. And then just a jazz box with a touch. So I'll do the last section the whole way through. You've just done the 3/4 shuffle. So it's 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's just go through the whole dance now. And I'll do it with the counts because I think the counts always make it a little bit easier if you've got the step sheet to look at, and then you can just go through the counts with the timing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when I wrote the dance, I wrote it as 2 vines to start the dance, but you can do it as a rolling vine. So it's probably not for an absolute beginner, this dance anyway, but it's for somebody who's a beginner who wants to maybe start doing some different steps. So instead of a normal vine, in the same number of counts, 4 counts, what you do, you just do a full turn to end up facing back to the front wall. So it's quarter, half, swing your right leg round, and then just do a touch. So it's basically like a quarter, half. Quarter, half, touch. It's when you're doing it slowly, it's probably more difficult, but when you're doing it continual, the momentum sort of keeps you going. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So either a vine or a rolling vine, whichever you want to do, that's fine, but enjoy the dance. Thank you.